I'm Christian Del Galeros from B Scream 3E, and I'm reporting the activity 1 in our course. First is robbery. Robbery is defined as a taking of personal property belonging to the another with intent to gain, accomplished through violence against or intimidation of persons, force upon things. It involves stealing property by force or threat, or by damaging or breaking into something to take the property. Elements of robbery is intent to gain. The offender must have the desire to acquire something for themselves. Second is unlawful taking. The property must be taken without the other's consent. Third is personal property of another. The property taken must belong to someone other than the offender. Fourth is violence, intimidation, or upon the things. The taking must be achieved through physical force, threat, or by breaking into something. Then the examples of robberies is this involves physical harming or assaulting the victim to take their property. Like, for example, is a person punches another person to steal their wallet. Next is thief. Thief is defined under Article 308 as the act of taking personal property belonging to the another without the latter's consent and with intent to gain. It does not require a specific minimum value for stolen item to be considered thief. Elements of thief are taking of personal property. The act involves the taking of something that is considered personal property or movable property. Second is without consent. The taking must be done without the permission or knowledge of the owner of the property. Third is with intent to gain. The person taking the property must have the intention to benefit from the taking. Fourth is no violence or intimidation. The taking must not involve any violence against person or intimidation, nor force upon things. Example of thief are shoplifting, pickpocketing, stealing from house or vehicle, and taking lost property and not returning it. Then the third is qualified thief. Qualified thief, defined, it involves the same elements as simple thief, but with aggravating circumstances that elevate the penalty. These circumstances include theft by domestic servant, grave abuse of confidence, theft of specific items like motorcycle, vehicle, or mail, or theft during a calamity. Elements of qualified theft is intent to gain. The offender must have the intention to profit from taking a property. Second is taking of personal property. The offender must take possession of movable property belong to another. Third is without the owner's consent. The taking must be done without the knowledge or permission of the owner. With any of the following aggravating circumstances: by domestic servant, with grave abuse of confidence, of specific items, and during a calamity. Example of qualified theft is a person entrusted with collecting payments for the business is stealing the money. And the last is fencing. Fencing is defined as the act of buying, receiving, possessing, keeping, acquiring, concealing, selling or disposing of, or dealing in any way with article, item, object, or anything of value which persons know or should have known to have been derived from the proceeds of robbery or theft. It's about knowing, profiting from stolen goods. The elements of fencing is first, a crime of robbery or theft must have been committed. The accused, who is not principal or accomplice in the robber or thief, must have engaged in the aforementioned acts, buying, selling, or any other acts with the stolen property. The accused must have known or should have known that the property was stolen. There must be an intent to gain for the accused or other person. For example, a person purchased a used watch from someone they don't know well at a price significantly lower than its market value. The buyer doesn't ask for a proof of ownership or check if the watch is complete with the papers. Later, it's discovered the watch was reported stolen. If the prosecution can prove the buyer knew or should have known the watch stolen because of the low price and lack of documentation, and that they intended to resell it for profit, they could be charged with fencing. And that would be all. Thank you.